Welcome to the beautiful autumn season, where the colors of the leaves change so wonderfully, painting the world in vibrant hues of red, orange, and gold. As the world shifts around us, this is the perfect time to slow down and reflect on our own well being. October is also a month to honor World Mental Health Day on October 10th. At Lyceum Global, we encourage each of you to take a moment to look deeply within yourself. This is the time to focus on both your physical and mental health. Be grateful for the physical health you already have. Celebrate your body and its strength. From there, build upon it, nurturing both your body and your mind. Respect your body by not overworking or allowing too much stress to take over. Balance is key. Remember, it is about listening to your body and giving it the rest and care it deserves. Take ownership of your emotions and thoughts. When you do this, you can lift your energy up. Allow your emotions to guide you, but don't let them control you. Having the courage to act differently, even when your feelings push you otherwise, is true strength. Finally, engage with those around you, your loved ones, friends, and community. Create memories that will last a lifetime, filled with joy, laughter, and connection. This month, we also honor the practice of grace, gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement as a way to maintain optimal mental and physical health. We are excited to celebrate the 4th anniversary of Dr. Emlan Wynn's international bestseller, Living in Grace, Living Your Best Life Now. This book has touched lives across the globe, inspiring countless individuals to live with grace and authenticity. Join us on October 32nd, 2024 for a virtual celebration to commemorate this milestone. More details are coming soon, and we can't wait to celebrate with all of you. Enjoy the fall season through the month of October. Let's embrace grace and take care of ourselves, mind, body, and soul.